Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to discuss luckmost.com. So if you are interested to know about this website, watch the video till the end and we will be discussing the details regarding this store. This is actually a website that claims to provide people with high quality television sets so you can have the most premium quality products and enjoy the time with your family and friend with clear picture and sound quality at your home. Let's check out the details and specification of this website. On their website, the product is actually television sets and they have not provided their physical address. The email address they have provided is not matching the domain name, which is not a good sign. Moreover, it was created on 25th May 2021, a very young domain registered. So let's check out the advantages of buying from lookmost.com. The customer can get huge discounts. They offer television set from same renowned brand. Moreover, the television sets from some renowned brands are available in different sizes, shapes and colors. The person you can choose from the wide variety of around 20 sets. The price range of these products is excellent. So the website is shipping products all over the globe, but the disadvantages of buying from Lookmore is that we are unable to find the reviews of the website and store on the internet or on the website. The website has kept mentioning any contact detail other than the email id, and email id is also not company name, which appears personal id, and it looks suspicious. The content on the website also appears to be copied from the suspicious website. The price point of the products appear to be unrealistic and offers the products at a very low price, and they have also skipped the mentioning some of the essential details regarding the website. So let's check out either this is a legit or a scam store. As we have discussed, it was registered on 25th May 2021 and it will expire on 25th May 2022, just registered for 1 year, and the index rank of the website is 0.4 out of 100 only. This is just an inferior rank on the website, and the trust index score is 1%. They have not mentioned their official address, and the content is copied or plagiarized from some suspicious website. As customer review help us to find out either this website or store is legit or a scam, but unfortunately we are unable to find customer reviews on lookmores.com, neither on the website nor on any platform. So we can say that one dealing in television set of the customer, getting into the depth of the website, we found that they have skipped mentioning their address, phone number, shipping and return detail, and also delivery charges. So we can conclude that look more, we can say that no doubt it's very early to declare the website as scam. So we will just suggest our viewers to stay and wait for some time, so you may able to find some genuine review regarding this website, and you can have your wise decision for your shopping from this store.